Hi friends, today we are going to discuss our first chapter, Operating System. In this chapter, we will learn get familiar with Linux Ubuntu desktop, starting an application. An operating system is a software that manages the communication between software and hardware. Operating system acts as a mediator between user and the computer. Linux is an operating system just like Windows 7, Windows 10 and Mac OS X. Tux, a penguin, is the official icon of Linux. Linux is packaged in a format known as Linux distribution. It is also known as Linux versions. Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, etc. are some examples of Linux distribution. So we can say an operating system acts as a mediator between user and computer. We cannot operate a computer without an operating system. Linux is one such operating system and it is packaged in a format called Linux versions. Examples: Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora. Linux. Linux is the most used open source operating system. The software is free and available to the public to use, view, edit and even modify. That's why Linux is known as the open source operating system. Linux was developed by Linus Torvalds. The Linux system is based on GNU tools and are called GNU Linux system. GNU tools are developed by Richard Stallman. The advantages of Linux operating system are Linux is freely available, it has GUI interface and it allows users to work on many programs at the same time. Okay. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system. It is one version of Linux. It is designed for computers, smartphones and network servers. Features of Ubuntu. First feature is Ubuntu is completely user-friendly and good-looking. It's available in many languages and it's secure, say no to antivirus. And it is also freely available. It is available free of cost, unlike Windows or Mac OS. Ubuntu supports multitasking. It can effectively perform more than one task at a time. And free software in Software Center. Ubuntu is one such software which is freely available. Ubuntu desktop. The working area of Ubuntu is called the desktop. This is the desktop of Ubuntu. The desktop is so named because it can be compared to a desk in your school where the book, pen, instrument box, etc. are placed. Just like that, the home screen contains the backgrounds, icon, taskbar and bottom panel. Next is background. The background picture of Linux Ubuntu desktop is called background. We can see different background pictures on different computers according to their settings. Changing the background. You can change the background of home screen as per your choice. To change the background picture, first right-click anywhere on the blank area of the desktop. Then a pop-up menu appears. Select the Change Background option from the pop-up menu. Then the Settings dialog box opens. The Background tab is selected by default. Click the Background option. Another window will show with list of background pictures. Select the desired background from the available list of pictures under the Wallpapers category and click the Select option. Once the background is selected, click on Close button. Next is folder. A folder is a digital or physical container used for organizing and storing files and documents. A folder is a directory or a location where files can be grouped together to help users manage and organize their data more effectively. Select a folder. To select a folder, place the mouse pointer over the folder and click on the left button. Open a folder. To open a folder, place the mouse pointer over the folder and click twice with the left button. Organize folders. Sometimes the folders in the desktop are not arranged in alphabetic order. To sort the folders, right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu will be displayed. Select Organize Desktop by Name option. Now the files and folders are arranged in alphabetical order. Rename a folder. To change the name of folder in computer, place the mouse pointer over the folder, right-click on the mouse button, select the rename from the pop-up menu, type a new name, example, subject. Click anywhere away from the folder. Now the folder of student folder is renamed as subject. Delete a folder. To delete a folder, place the mouse pointer over the folder, click the left button, select Move to Trash option from the pop-up menu. Taskbar. Taskbar is the long horizontal bar on the top of the desktop. It provides application, places, calendar and appointments and system properties like sound, networking and power option. Applications menu. Application menu is located on the left of the taskbar. It is like Start menu in Windows. It provides a list of all programs on your computer. The application menu has submenus for education, office, internet, games, etc. Each submenu has many applications. Next is Places menu. The Places menu is next to Application menu. You can access the local PC and on your computer network including the hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drives and also access recently used documents from here. Opening a program. To open a program, click on Applications menu, select any option from the submenu, click on the desired application from the pop-up menu by double-clicking on it. System menu. The system menu icon located on the right of the taskbar. From the system menu, you can get system settings like log, logout, suspend, restart and shutdown options. Next is Linux command. A Linux command is a text-based instruction that is entered into a terminal or command line interface to perform specific task on a Linux operating system. Linux has a wide array of commands for performing various tasks. Let us look at ls, dir and date commands. We know command is a text-based instruction which is entered into a terminal or CLI to perform specific task. Okay. ls command. The ls command in Linux is used to list the contents of current working directory. When you first log in, your current working directory is the home directory. Okay. So ls command is used to list the contents of current working directory. When we are first logged in, our current working directory is the home directory. So it will display the home directory's contents. In home we have desktop, documents, okay, etc. That is displayed here using ls command. The ls command will not list all the files in your home directory, but only those files whose name does not begin with a dot. Files beginning with a dot are called hidden files. Okay, so the files which does not begin with dot symbol, only that files will be listed using ls command. Okay, the files beginning with dot, which is known as hidden files, so that contents will not be displayed. To list all files in your home directory, including the hidden files, type ls-a. If you want to list the all files which is containing dot and without dot files, so you can use the command ls-a or -a. Next is dir command. In Linux, the dir command is used to list the contents of a specified directory. Okay. So, however, it's important to note that the ls command is more commonly used for this purpose. The ls command provides more detailed and formatted information about files and directory, but the dir command is only used to list the contents of specified directory. Okay. here using dir command we display desktop. So it only display the files of desktop only. Date command. The date command in Linux is used for displaying the current date and time as well as for setting the system date and time. So date command is used for displaying the current date and time. We had given the date command in terminal, then it displays the current date and time of the system. So that's all about this chapter. Thank you.